Welcome back to the official English channel. Today, you're going to practice speaking with us by going through 100 everyday questions and answers. These are the kinds of short exchanges you hear in real conversations, the ones people use without thinking. The plan is simple. I'll ask the question first, John will follow with a natural answer. After that, you say the answer out loud with us. And at the end of each one, I'll repeat the answer slowly so you can focus on pronunciation. Think of it like we're practicing together in the same room.
Let's begin with casual daily talk, the kind that comes up when you see friends, neighbors, classmates, or coworkers.
Are you tied up with something right now?
Not at the moment. What's going on?
Not at the moment. What's going on? Do you live close to this area?
Yeah, only a few blocks from here.
Only a few blocks from here. Are you free this weekend?
Saturday works for me.
Saturday works for me. Is this your first visit to this place?
Yes, it is. How about you?
Yes, it is. How about you? Do you usually cook at home?
Most nights, yeah.
Most nights, yeah. Are you tired?
A bit, but I'm doing all right.
A bit, but I'm doing all right. Do you watch TV in the evenings?
I usually turn something on after dinner.
I usually turn something on after dinner. Are you feeling better now?
Much better. Thanks for asking.
Much better. Thanks for asking. Do you take the bus to your job?
No, I normally drive.
I normally drive. Are you good in the kitchen?
I can manage, but I'm no expert.
I can manage, but I'm no expert. Do you read before going to bed?
Pretty much every night.
Pretty much every night. Are you set to leave?
Yes, I've got everything I need.
I've got everything I need. Do you play any sports?
I play soccer on Sundays.
I play soccer on Sundays. Are you busy tomorrow?
Yes, I've got a full day ahead.
I've got a full day ahead. Do you like your neighbors?
Yeah, they're really friendly.
They're really friendly. Are you into music?
I listen every day.
I listen every day. Do you exercise consistently?
Yes, 3 times a week.
3 times a week. Are you active on social media?
I use it, but not too often.
Not too often. Do you drink coffee daily?
At least 2 cups.
At least 2 cups. Are you learning anything new?
Yes, I'm working on my English.
I'm working on my English. Do you wake up early?
Most days. I'm up at 6.
I'm up at 6. Are you cold?
Yes, it's really chilly today.
Really chilly today. Do you read the news every day?
I check it each morning.
Each morning. Are you ready for lunch?
Yes, I'm starving.
I'm starving. Do you speak any languages besides English?
A little Spanish.
A little Spanish. Let's shift over to conversations you might have while shopping or eating out. Do you need a bag?
No, I brought my own. Thank you.
I brought my own. Thank you. Are you prepared to order?
Yes, I'd like the pasta.
I'd like the pasta. Would you like something to drink?
Just a glass of water, please.
A glass of water, please. Do you want the receipt?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Are you paying with a card?
Yes, I'll use my card.
I'll use my card. Do you want your order packed to go?
Yes, take it to go, please.
Take it to go, please. Would you rather sit inside or outside?
Outside sounds nice.
Outside sounds nice. Is the service charge included?
Yes, it's already added.
Already added. Do you want to try it on?
Yes, where can I change?
Where can I change? Are you looking for something specific?
Yes, a black jacket.
A black jacket. Do you want still water or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Still water, please. Would you like to look at the menu?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Do you want to share the bill?
Sure, let's divide it.
Let's divide it. Is this discounted?
Yes, it's half off today.
Half off today. Do you need a basket?
No, I can carry what I have.
I can carry what I have. Would you rather pay now or later?
I'll take care of it now.
Take care of it now. Do you want cash back?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Is your meal okay?
It's great, thank you.
It's great. Thank you. Do you want to keep the bag?
No, you can keep it.
You can keep it. Would you like to try a sample?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Do you want dessert?
No, I'm full.
I'm full. Is this your size?
Yes, it fits just right.
Fits just right. Do you want ketchup with that?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Would you like a seat near the window?
Yes, that would be nice.
That would be nice. Do you need a straw?
No, I'm good.
I'm good. Now let's move into questions you'll hear at work or during phone calls. Can I call you back later?
Sure, that's completely fine.
That's completely fine. Are you joining the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there at 10.
I'll be there at 10. Do you work from home?
Yes, 3 days each week.
3 days each week. Do you have a moment for a quick chat?
Yes, just give me 5 minutes.
Give me 5 minutes. Can you send me the file?
I'll send it right away.
Right away. Do you need help with that report?
No, I've got it under control, thanks.
Under control. Are you staying late tonight?
Yes, I need to finish this project.
Finish this project. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you just fine.
Hear you just fine. Do you want me to take notes?
Yes, that would help a lot.
That would help a lot. Are you available tomorrow morning?
Yes, after 9.
After 9. Can we move the meeting to Friday?
Friday works for me.
Works for me. Do you want to join the call?
Yes, send me the link.
Send me the link. Are you in the office today?
No, I'm working from home.
Working from home. Can I leave a message?
Yes, go ahead.
Go ahead. Do you need this signed today?
Yes, please, it's urgent.
It's urgent. Did you finish the presentation?
Yes, I wrapped it up a moment ago.
Wrapped it up. Can you cover for me this afternoon?
Yes, I'll handle it.
I'll handle it. Do you want me to email it to you?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Are you free to get lunch?
Yes, what time works?
What time works? Are you joining the team meeting?
Yes, I'll be there.
I'll be there. Do you have a minute?
Yes, what's going on?
What's going on? Are you working on the project?
Yes, I started this morning.
Started this morning. Can you check this document?
Yes, I'll look at it now.
Look at it now. Do you want me to call them back?
Yes, could you do that?
Could you do that? Are you happy with the results?
Yes, they turned out well.
Turned out well. Let's move on to travel and social situations you might run into while going out, sightseeing, or meeting new people. Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
You can sit here. Where's the nearest bus stop?
Right around the corner.
Right around the corner. Do you have any free tables tonight?
Yes, we have one available at 7.
One available at 7. Are you checking in today?
Yes, I booked 2 nights.
I booked 2 nights. Do you need help with your bags?
Yes, thank you, I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. Is this the train to London?
Yes, it leaves in 10 minutes.
Leaves in 10 minutes. Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
A window seat, please. Is breakfast included?
Yes, it's part of the price.
Part of the price. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Are you here for vacation?
Yes, just for a week.
Just for a week. Do you want me to take a picture for you?
Yes, that would be great.
That would be great. Is this your suitcase?
Yes, that one is mine.
That one is mine. Do you have your passport with you?
Yes, it's right here.
Right here. Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm with my family.
With my family. Would you like to sit outside?
Yes, if the weather's nice.
If the weather's nice. Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, it's across the street.
Across the street. Do you want directions to the museum?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I'm meeting a friend.
Meeting a friend. Do you need a map?
No, I'll just use my phone.
Use my phone. Is this your first time in the city?
Yes, I've never been here before.
Never been here before. Do you want to join us for dinner?
Yes, I'd enjoy that.
I'd enjoy that. Are you staying long?
No, only the weekend.
Only the weekend. Do you want to try some local dishes?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, absolutely. Is it far from here?
No, it's a 10-minute walk.
10-minute walk. Do you need any help?
No, I'm good, thanks.
I'm good, thanks. That completes all 100 questions and answers you practiced with us today. The more you repeat them, the faster they'll feel natural in real conversations. Listen again whenever you can, say the answers out loud, and start using them with people around you. Consistency is what helps you grow.
Thanks for spending your time practicing with us on the official English channel. Keep working on your speaking, keep showing up for yourself, and keep believing that you can improve.
We'll see you next time. Take care.